Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tech news and reviews on cutting-edge gear. Today, we're diving deep into a big leak about DJI's much-anticipated Goggles N3. If you're into FPV drone flying, you're going to want to stick around because DJI is taking things to a whole new level. These new goggles promise upgraded tech, enhanced compatibility, and a pretty enticing price point. So, let's jump right in and explore every detail we've gathered about the DJI Goggles N3, including pricing, packages, specifications, and potential launch dates. Before we get into the specifics of the N3, let's take a quick look back at DJI's previous FPV goggles to see what makes the N3 a step forward. With the introduction of the N3, DJI appears to be targeting both seasoned FPV pilots and newcomers. The focus here is not just on the visual quality, but also on creating a robust FPV ecosystem. The initial glimpse of the DJI Goggles N3 came from the Philippines, where an early leak surfaced, giving us our first concrete look. Leaked by industry insider Jasper Ellens, the information included price points, package details, and possible specs. Starting with the price, the standalone DJI Goggles N3 is expected to be available in Europe for around €269, which is roughly $290. If you're an FPV enthusiast looking for just the headset, this price seems quite reasonable, especially given the expected upgrades. With rumors suggesting a sharper resolution than previous models, the N3 promises a more immersive experience. This is particularly important for racing and cinematic FPV, where clear visuals make all the difference. Longer battery life. Many users found the battery life on previous models limiting. The N3 reportedly addresses this by offering longer usage time, allowing for extended flights. According to sources, DJI is aiming for a launch as early as November. DJI tends to release products strategically, aligning with major shopping events like Black Friday and the holiday season. This timing would allow DJI to capitalize on the end-of-year tech rush, potentially making the Goggles N3 one of the season's must-have gadgets for drone enthusiasts. Should you hold out for the Goggles N3? If you're in the market for a high-quality FPV headset with reliable specs and a good price-to-feature ratio, the N3 might be worth the wait. With the leaks showing promise, this could be one of DJI's most popular products yet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Let us know in the comments if you're excited about the Goggles N3 and if you'd like a full review once we get our hands on them.